In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for marketing campaigns. Let's get started. I start by navigating to the ChatGPT interface in my browser. I click on the main input field where it says, Ask Anything, to prepare my initial prompt. I type in a comprehensive request for a new online coffee shop business, asking for a complete 30-day marketing campaign including the target audience, brand messaging, social media goals, content ideas, email marketing strategy, promotional offers, ad copy, hashtags, and a weekly content calendar. Once the full prompt is typed out, I click the send icon on the right side of the input field to generate the response. I scroll down the page to review the primary target audience sections, which break down into young professionals, coffee enthusiasts, students, and online shoppers. Continuing down, I examine the brand messaging, core values, value propositions, and a list of catchy brand taglines. Next, I look over the promotional offers laid out week by week, detailing a grand opening discount, bundle promotions, referral campaigns, and a loyalty push. Moving further down the page, I review the social media strategy section, which specifies an effective content mix of educational, lifestyle, promotional, and engagement posts. Below that, the tool lists creative content ideas for short-form reels and TikTok videos alongside static post concepts and story ideas. Now, I want to break this high-level strategy down into actionable social media content, so I click the input field again. I type a follow-up prompt asking to turn this marketing campaign into 10 ready-to-post social media posts for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, ensuring each includes a caption, hook, call to action, and an image suggestion. I hit the send button to process this request. The interface generates the detailed posts one by one. I scroll down to review post 1 for the grand opening announcement, which features a clear hook, an inviting caption with a promo code, a direct call to action, image suggestions, and relevant hashtags. Finally, I view post 10, an interactive community engagement poll asking users about their favorite coffee type, followed by a bonus section offering tips on structuring these concepts into short-form videos. To make sure my strategy is as effective as possible, I decided to get some expert feedback. I click into the text box once more and type a prompt instructing ChatGPT to act as a marketing consultant to review the campaign, identify weaknesses, look for missed opportunities, and suggest ways to improve engagement, conversions, and return on investment. I click the send arrow. The analysis populates the screen immediately. I scroll down to read the overall assessment scores for brand awareness, engagement potential, conversion potential, customer retention, and ROI efficiency. The review highlights that while the campaign is strong at introducing the brand, it needs to be more effective at moving people smoothly through the complete customer journey. Finally, I scroll past missed retention opportunities, which note that the loyalty program was introduced too late in the timeline, and check out the recommendations for fixing the interactive content gap in user-generated content campaigns. I finish by reviewing the advertising and email marketing improvements, along with a concise checklist of the top 5 things to change first to maximize results. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.